Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming measurements and getting panels with about 5% waste. Accuracy saves time. Put on gloves and eye protection. Safety matters. Once prepped, fasten the starter strip level at the base, then snap a chalk line for panel alignment. This prevents cumulative twist. Make sure bottom flashing overlaps the foundation and that studs are marked every 16 or 24 so screws hit framing. These initial steps set the plane. Proceed only when the starter is true. You cut each panel to length, using snips for small cuts and a shear for long runs, score and bend for cleaner edges. Align the first panel with the starter strip. Once it sits tight, fasten near the rib, not the flat, to allow thermal movement. Make overlaps per spec, usually one rib or 1/2 inches, and keep screws every 12 to 24, depending on wind load. As you work across the wall, check level and trim as needed. Consistent overlaps prevent leaks and warping. You finish by installing corner trim, J channel around openings, and top flashing to shed water. Caulk all seams with silicone or polyurethane for a durable seal. Make sure to cover exposed cut edges with touch-up paint to slow corrosion, and clean metal shavings immediately so they don't rust. Once done, walk the perimeter checking fasteners and flashing. If you see oil canning or loose panels, retighten screws, add a backer or extra fasteners at studs, and reseat trim. This corrects most finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.